What's up guys, this is Sean and today I'm going to do another Shopify store analysis. We have a list of Shopify stores here. Some of them are dropshipping and some of them are not. The link to this list will be down in the description below, so be sure to check that out. We have done 3 or 4 store analysis which are Colourpop, Fashion Nova, Jeffree Star Cosmetics, Red Dress Boutique. So today we are going to do the polarprofilters.com. So as soon as I hit the website guys, you can see a top announcement bar telling you guys about why to choose them. So they have free US shipping, lifetime warranty and 60-day returns. And on the main page as a picture they have their slogan going on here. Moving down they have some collections and some more content, and at the bottom they have their clean footer. This is a really good footer. It has everything from about us to the newsletter. They have contact us page which is easily seen here. They have their policies over here. So let's move on to their who we are page, that is their about us page, and see what is going on there. So this is their about us page and they have a huge visual going on over here as soon as I hit the page. So guys, the thing to note is that you must have some sort of visual on your about us page. You just do not have to write only the words. You can have a simple banner of your logo with some custom background. So moving down they have their members of the team. Can you see this guys? They do not even have a single word. They have images. They have direct images which are telling their stories. So this is it of their about us page. Now we're going to quickly move on to some of their collections. So let's go into camera filters. So this is their filters collection guys, and they have only 2 lenses over here. I'm going to just quickly open any. Let's open this quartz line filters. Guys, are you seeing the difference? They have their reviews. They have this standing out add to cart button. They do not have any spammy checkout badge. They do not have scarcity. They do not have countdown timers. They have a simple and sweet product description, and then they have the features important. Moving below they also have embedded simple YouTube video inside their product description. Guys, as you move down, this is all their product description here. Like, they do not have a lot of text. As you can see that there are visuals. There are a lot of visuals. There are images with text in them. So be sure to have a lot of visuals. So they even have this interactive image. So that would have required some coding, but be sure to have a lot of visuals guys. That is what it is needed for a good product description. If the people can tell that you're dropshipping, then you're doing it wrong guys. Your product page must look like some brand, not a spammy store. Alright, so get rid of the countdown timers, get rid of the scarcity timers, and put some reviews, put a standing out checkout badge, make up a great interactive description, do a lot of visuals in it. That is mainly the things which build trust on the product page. So at the bottom guys, you can see that they are using this product reviews app. This is a Shopify app. So this is the app they are using right now guys. The website which ranks number 7 in the total Shopify stores in the world is not spending any money on scarcity or checkout badges. The time when those things worked, the checkout badges and all that stuff, was 2018. In 2019, you must focus on building a trustworthy website page and a website which does not look spammy. So moving down, they have the regular footer here. So this was all their product page guys. A good visuals in their product description, no scarcity, no checkout badges, good looking reviews, and be sure the English of the reviews you are importing or you're making them up should not have any grammatical error. So I'm quickly going to add this product into the cart and let's see what their cart page looks like. Okay guys, so this is their cart page, and as you guys can see, they do not have any kind of your order is reserved timer here like you would have seen on a lot of stores. They only have these 3 buttons and the shipping calculator over here. So I'm going to move on to their checkout page. Okay, so we are on to the checkout page, and as you guys can observe, they have their sweet logo here. They do not have any pirate conversion checkout hack, so make it less spammy. Use the express checkout buttons. So guys, there is this thing that I've noticed, that if you use the express checkout buttons, it kind of builds trust on your website page because the customer thinks that you are somehow linked with PayPal or Google or Amazon, and that's the reason you're able to receive payment from them. We are done with the checkout page, and now I'm going to move on to their Facebook. So guys, this is their Facebook page. They have their video going on here. They have a decent amount of followers on their page. Today is 15th of April and this post was made on 4th of April. So they're not quite posting every day, but yeah, they're not inactive either. They have also posted on 13th of April. They're not posting a lot, but they are not inactive either. So they have a good reviews on their page also. So good customer service leads to good reviews. I'm going to quickly see their Instagram profile also, just in case to see that whether they are posting on their Instagram. So guys, they have a verified blue check mark on their Instagram page with 167,000 followers, and the recent post was made 14 hours ago, so they are regular here. Now let's take a look at their info and ads section. So they are running mainly in Canada and United States. So these are their ads. These are high quality. They are running carousel ad. Let's take a look at how much visitors they are getting on their store. So as you can see guys, 24,000 visitors per day they are getting, which is a huge amount, and that is the reason they are number 7th in all the Shopify stores. Okay guys, so this is it for this video. Be sure to hit like if you enjoyed, or press the dislike button. Also drop down in comments section what you want to see next. I'm going to keep uploading Shopify store reviews so that you can replicate what's working for those big companies and level up your game. Okay guys, bye.